In this video, we are going to explore the concept of adding vectors. We can use the tactile materials to represent the vectors and the process of adding them. Let's start by creating a physical representation of two vectors. Here, we have two arrows representing the two vectors. We'll label the arrows with letters V and W to represent the two vectors. Now, let's add these two vectors. To do this, we'll place the tail of the second vector W at the head of the first vector V. Make a vector that connects the tail of the first vector and the head of the second vector W. This vector is the sum of the two vectors V and W. That is, we have V plus W. The components of the sum of vectors are the sums of the corresponding components of vectors V and W. Let us say our vector V is 2, 2. Our vector W is 1, 3. The sum of the vectors of V and vector W has the following components. V plus W is equal to 2, 2, the components of the first vector V, plus 1, 3, the components of the second vector W, and then add the corresponding components. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the sum of the vectors V and W has components 3, 5. Let us check. This is the head of the sum of the vectors. 1, 2, 3. 3 for the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for the y-axis. So again, the sum of the vectors V and W has components 3 and 5, or 3, 5. That's it for adding vectors. Remember, to add vectors, we simply add their corresponding components. By understanding this concept, you'll be able to apply it in a variety of fields. Thank you for watching.